Hi, my name is James Yeo. This is Solid Horizons. Right now, I'm in Kota Kemuning's Eco Sanctuaries. If you can see, behind me is the Proton 3S that is run by VR Green. I'm going to bring you to run through what is it inside the showroom as well as the service bay. This building basically consists of steel structures as the main structures of the whole buildings, and all the wall will be using a normal brick wall. So inside here, you can see that there is actually a 3-level volume of the ceiling that is actually run by a cassette type of aircon, and this is the showroom. Behind me is a service center where these people will come in, they're going to leave their cars here and they're going to walk towards this counter to get their service, while behind this counter is actually the service bay. We're going to show you later. So in this building, we basically supply everything in this toilet, from tiles, floor tiles, wall tiles, including all this cubicle plus this sanitary, all over to the client. And this is their sitting area for all their customers. So now let's take a look inside their admin office. So inside here is the small areas that we're gonna have the job controller room, and the service manager room of course is here, and this is a very small areas for their admins as well as the meeting room. Simple setup, TVs, aircon, billboard, and also of course all the furnitures. You can see this is where their service bay is. Epoxy floor with the arrow and all the indicative place that there is a working areas, and you can see all these lighting are basically suspended at the ceiling level, and on top of this is a roof that is already insulated, and they have this what we call the translucent sheet of the roofing. However, there's one thing that you need to take care is that when you have this translucent sheet, there is a heat that transfers from the top to the bottom. This is something that we need to make sure that there is enough ventilation around this area. That's why this entrance to the exit is end-to-end that you can see is facing each others. And as well as all these rooms are the parts that they are talking between the service bay and also the admin officer inside. So this is an important design that we have used our engineers to value engineer the whole building to basically help to save up the cost of the building for more than 10%. This building basically have around 15,000 square feet, 1.5 story at the showroom unit, and also single story at the service bay. This whole building takes approximately 5 months to completion. Right after the buildings, we're gonna have to have a challenge in terms of the level of the building, that we're gonna make sure that all the foundation is completed before we start on the steel structures works. So that is how a Proton 3S center looks like. Sales, service, and spare part. I'll see you again next time. I'm James Yeo. This is Solid Horizon. Bye bye.